These are my roommates / audience members. This is my third audience member / roommate who is at home right now. She couldn't make it back to Ball State in time, so I hope it's okay. She's over FaceTime. Okay. Who here likes ice cream? Okay, that's all of us. Now, who here likes chemistry? Not so many of us. Well, today I'm going to be showing you how to use chemistry in a fun way to make homemade ice cream using dry ice. So the first thing you're going to want to do is gather your materials. You'll need dry ice chunks in a bowl, half and half cream, heavy whipping cream, sugar, measuring spoons, a metal can or metal bowl, and a mixing spoon. So the first question you might have is, what is dry ice? Dry ice is just frozen carbon dioxide. So before we start making our ice cream using dry ice, we're going to want to put on our lab coat, lab goggles, and thermal gloves to protect us whenever we're using chemical substances such as dry ice. Okay, so to start our homemade ice cream, we're going to take our metal can and our half and half cream, and we're going to add 3 tablespoons. Four tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. And 2 teaspoons of sugar. Now that we have our ingredients in our can, we're going to stir it with our stirring spoon to try to help the sugar dissolve. And at this step, it would be a good time to add any vanilla or chocolate syrup if you want to add any flavor to your ice cream. So now we're going to put this mixture into our dry ice. And whenever we are working with dry ice or touching it, we're always going to want to use thermal gloves to avoid getting any cold burns on our skin. So I'm going to place this can into the dry ice. Straighten it out in there. And then I'm going to use my mixing spoon to mix the mixture in the dry ice. And this dry ice is very cold, so it's going to chill our mixture quickly. It's important to continue mixing this mixture until it is completely frozen throughout, trying to keep it from gathering on the sides of the can. This should take anywhere between 10 to 20 minutes, depending on how much you're making. The amount that we made is just a small batch, so it only makes about 1/4 of a cup. And when you're done mixing and it's completely frozen, your ice cream should look a little something like this. Yummy. So that is how you can use chemistry in a fun way to make something tasty like ice cream.